Integration in the context of the King Follett discourse refers to the process by which the acceptance of one principle, influenced by another, leads to a comprehensive and cohesive understanding of a third, embodying a complex, interconnected theological system. This integration reflects a holistic worldview that sees the divine narrative as an interwoven tapestry, where each thread is essential to the integrity and beauty of the whole. For example, the integration of the belief in human potential with the nature of God and the principle of eternal progression offers a dynamic and expansive vision of salvation that encompasses not just the afterlife, but the eternal development of the soul. This vision suggests a theological harmony where each concept is a vital component of a grand divine symphony, playing a unique but essential part in the collective understanding of existence and purpose. Disintegration emerges when opposing views or doctrines deny the validity of these integrated concepts, leading to a breakdown in the cohesive understanding of Latter-day Saint theology. This disintegration can result from the rejection of foundational principles such as the potential for human divinization, which not only challenges the Latter-day Saint concept of God and eternal progression, but also threatens the integrity of the theological narrative itself. In this scenario, the tapestry begins to unravel, and what was once a coherent and comprehensive view of the divine and human destiny becomes fragmented, with each part losing its context and meaning within the larger whole. A central theme in our exploration is the transformative view of the relationship between the divine and the human. The King Follett discourse, particularly through the lenses of coexistence, causal relationships and convergence, presents a vision where humanity is not merely a creation of God, but a participant in a divine continuum. This perspective challenges traditional Christian views of a fixed, immutable God, suggesting instead a dynamic, progressing deity with whom humans share a potential for growth and exaltation. Closely tied to the reimagined divine-human relationship is the theme of eternal progression. Through stabilization, conjoint relationships, and combination, we see how the discourse posits a journey of continual growth and development, not just in this life but extending into the eternity. This concept of eternal progression reshapes the understanding of salvation, heaven, and the very purpose of life, presenting a path of endless learning and becoming that stands in contrast to more static conceptions of the afterlife. The exploration through inclusion, harmonic relationships, and association underscores the interconnectedness and synergy between different doctrines within Latter-day Saint theology. Joseph Smith's teachings suggest that theological principles are not isolated truths, but interwoven strands that, when pulled together, reveal a greater divine tapestry. This interconnectedness invites a holistic approach to theology, where understanding is amplified through the integration of diverse concepts. Our journey also highlights the theme of challenge and adaptation in the face of traditional Christian skepticism or rejection, as seen through counterbalance, bottleneck, and division. The King Follett discourse, while offering a bold reimagining of core theological concepts, also engages in a dialogue with traditional beliefs, challenging both Latter-day Saints and others to reconsider and deepen their understanding of God, humanity, and eternity. Finally, the exploration reveals a dynamic interplay between revelation and reason, particularly evident in the nonlinear dynamics and the combination of ideas. Joseph Smith's discourse invites a theology that is both revealed and reasoned, suggesting that divine truth is not merely handed down, but discovered through a process of inquiry, reflection, and revelation. This approach encourages an active engagement with the divine, where faith and intellect combine to explore the mysteries of existence. In conclusion, our exploration of the King Follett discourse through these triads reveals a complex, profound, and dynamic theological landscape. Joseph Smith's teachings challenge believers to envision a grander, more expansive view of the divine and our place within it, marked by eternal progression, interconnected truths, and the potential for divine human synergy. This theological vision not only differentiates Latter-day Saint doctrine from traditional Christian thought, but also offers a unique lens through which to explore the nature of God, the destiny of humanity, and the meaning of life itself. It's a theology that does not shy away from the complexities of existence, but embraces them, inviting a deeper, more nuanced engagement with the divine.